it's not my fault. I was like, okay, lady. We get number 2, blue part of the grape section. Congratulations, and the bets are open. Good luck to all of you. Let's spin the wheel. So, I gave him more details, and he told me about the pipes and how we get actually running water in the bathroom. And I was like, okay, you know what? I have to be honest to you and to tell you this. I'm really disappointed. I think I was taken for granted. You considered me silly because I cleaned after the workers when they changed the windows. We get a 4x sugar bomb now. If your sugar bomb booster feature is on, that is 8x. Now it's time to respin the wheel, fingers crossed for all of you. And he was listening to me. I told him, you know what? Now, not only the hallway and the kitchen, but the entire house is full of dust and dirt. I mean, when I paid for this space, I paid it for... Oh, wait! Forget about it. I mean, I'll be back because it's amazing. No, it was not. We get a sweet spins. Hey, sweet spins. After a 4 or a 8x sugar bomb. Oh, come on. What a beautiful way to start this episode. Anyway, nice. Is that about the sweet spins, J.I.? Thank you for saying that. Come on, just let the magic unfold before your eyes. We start with 10 free spins, but 3 lollipops simultaneously on the screen will bring us 5 extra spins. We start with a 5x and we continue with grapes, plums, bananas, and 5 extra spins. Okay, that is great. Now it looks like we just started. Except we already have 6.30, but we want more, right? And we get plums and grapes with a 3x sugar bomb on top. Let's continue, come on. Grapes are exploding, followed by 9x produce, 2 sugar bombs exploding. We get plums and a 4x sugar bomb on top. What? Where are the premium symbols? And those delicious crisp apples? Come on, 5 spins to go. We get bananas and plums. Not this time again. Okay, grapes and a 5x sugar bomb on top. No, it's really good because we have the sugar bomb before. Don't forget about it. We get grapes, plums, maybe purple squares or apples. Finally, we get some apples and bananas. Nice. Maybe red hearts. Whoa, a 12x sugar bomb. Unexpected, but so good. Let's see if this is the last spin. No, it's not, because we just got 3 lollipops again on the screen. 5 extra spins, lovely people. We get purple squares, bananas, so many apples, and plums, maybe grapes as well. Yes, we got them. 4 sugar bombs exploding right now. That's a 15 in total. Oh my, look at that. We get plums. We get grapes. Oh, I love it. I love it. Let's continue. We get plums. Wow, so many plums and grapes. What else? Okay, grapes. Thank you. And so many bananas. Okay, they are good too. We get yellow candies. And a 6x sugar bomb on top. Oh my, look at that multiplier. We get grapes. And how would that be to get another lolly? No, not this time. This is the last spin, and that's 129.80. I cannot believe it! 129.80. I'm gonna say 130 because it will be easier for all of us. Congratulations, back to the wheel. It's betting time. Good luck to all of you. OJ, oh my.
I want to see the rivalry. Oh, Sugar Bomb. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right. The assigned multiplier for the Sugar Bomb respin is free for everybody and 6 for those of you who have the Sugar Bomb boost option activated. Let's proceed with the respin here now. The way the Sugar Bomb works, whatever the final winning multiplier shall come to be, it will get tripled for everybody, multiplied by 6 for those of you who have the Sugar Bomb boost option activated. Bear in mind, that also applies to the multiplier wins we get from the bonuses, so hopefully we'll get to land on a bonus section. Now we gotta stay. Yes, we are getting the bag. Ladies and gentlemen, Sweet Spin Steve is back in session and better than ever. Actually, 3 times better than usually. 3x Sugar Bomb is in play. Let me pull on this lever. Here. And we are going to start with 10 free spins. 8 or more symbols, we get a tumble. 3 lollipops or more, we get 5 extra spins. Enjoy the show. All right. Ooh, some big Sugar Bombs in this one, but we need a tumble. And there we go. We get our first tumble of the Sweet Spins. 1.2 on plenty plums. And that's about it for this one. Keep on dropping. 2 lollipops yet again. We keep getting teased. We just need the third one to be dropping in. This is looking like a good one. 1.2 on the blue candy. Double trouble. 1 point on the grapes. 0.2 on the bananas. And a 6x Sugar Bomb coming in at the end. We get to reload it as well with plus 5 extra spins. Nino, Dano, Nino. We basically got 50 multiplier for free, eh? We were back at 10 spins. We get to reload it yet again. Yet in the bag. This is the extended version of the Sweet Spins, eh? Alright, we got 30 more to drop. 15 is our multiplier. And there we go. 0.7 on the plums and a 3x Sugar Bomb coming in at the end. We got close on another sample. Just needed 1 more banana in there. Alright, we keep seeing these lollipops. Okay, how many spins has this been with 2 lollipops? We just need a third one again. How difficult is it? 1.2 on the blue candy, followed by the grapes. Already 10x multiplier from the Sugar Bombs, but we're not done with the tumbles. Another 0.5 from the plums. And here we go. We're already on 38 and we still got 8 more spins to drop. Nothing in this picture. Keep them coming. Ooh, close on the pink candy. Come on, let's see some more. So many lollipops going on. 5 more spins left. Double trouble. 1.2 on the plums. 0.5 on the grapes. Double trouble. Back to back. 1.2 on Mamma mia, sole mia. How much is this? Apparently 353. Can I see it in the chat? Months up, great, whatever language. Let me see it. We are going to the moon and back. Ladies and gentlemen, the last bit. Apparently we're not done. 0.5 on the grapes, followed by the plums. We got another Sugar Bomb. And this is how we're gonna finish the Sweet Spins. But ladies and gentlemen, trendsetter, record breaker, Sweet Spin Steve, back in business with a 391 win. Times 3, times 6 with the multiplier. To the moon. Bye-bye. Hey, let me see it in the chat, eh? My heart is racing, you know. I think this is my record. What is that? Almost 400.